Next, I'd like to announce that we're doing today's event in collaboration with the South Asian Women in Media, SAWM, SAWM. And two of our founding members are also members of SAWM. So it's Beena Sarwar and Mandira and Naya here. So Mandira, hi there. Would you like to tell us a little bit about SAWM?
Okay, now that we've got everything right. Okay, so SAWM is a little bit like Sapan in terms of it's a dream, but we've got journalists from across borders. We started in 2009 with the same sort of vision as Sapan, was by the same sort of founders, but the thing it started with Asma Jahangir. And I think for the first conference in Lahore, which I wasn't there for, but it was supposedly one of the biggest conferences and a really memorable one. And there were 50 women journalists from all over the world. And it started off very small, but now it's expanded. So we have journalists from Malaysia, we have we have journalists from Myanmar, Maldives, from Afghanistan, from all the SAARC countries, and we're hoping to expand. We've got a pretty large and very feisty chapter in India, and we connect a lot of women across South Asia and across boundaries.
Great, thank you, Mandira, for sharing that. And now I'd like to invite Beena. So Beena Sarwar, Sapan was your brainchild. Did you imagine that it would become so big so quickly?
I don't know, Mandira, has it become really big, you think?
Well, I think it has. I think it's a dream that Beena had, and she has this wonderful dedication. I don't know how she does it. It's like she has 1 month in 1 day. Okay, she does everything. Okay, and in some ways, like the women we're talking to today, who have incredible challenges and are so inspiring because they do so much. And Beena is sort of single-handedly does this. I don't know how she does that. Everybody gets
not single-handedly, my darling. Not single-handedly. Without you guys, it's not possible. That's you, Ekta, Samir, Vishal. So many of you behind the scenes and coming forward as well that are taking leadership. It is not something to be done single-handedly. This is a team effort. So we should go on with the program now.
Well, actually, we have a lot of eminent names on board, so don't be so modest already. We have Nobel laureate Amartya Sen, who's on one of our founding members. And of course, there are so many others who are here in the room today. Let me see if I can spot them. We have activist Khushi Kabir from Dhaka. We have activist Kavita Srivastava from Jaipur. We have retired Chief of Indian Navy, Admiral Ramdas from Alibag. We have activist Lalita Ramdas from Alibag as well. We have artist Salima Hashmi from Lahore, educationist Dr. Saida Hamid from Delhi. We have activist Mohammad Tasin from Lahore, journalist Jatin Desai from Mumbai, labor rights activist Karamat Ali from Karachi, publisher and author Urvashi Butalia from Delhi. We have journalist Amu Joseph from Bangalore, journalist Nalaka Gunawardane from Colombo. We have journalist and editor Kalpana Sharma from Mumbai. And I don't know if he's here, but journalist Kanak Mani Dikshit from Kathmandu. And of course, there are so many more. The list goes on and on of the founding members and also the people who have endorsed this. So Beena, is this really your dream coming to life?
Sorry, I was trying to just spotlight everybody I could see, and I wasn't able to, I think I haven't been able to spotlight everyone. So
let me see if I can.
The other hosts, if the other hosts can just, I did spotlight several people that I could see, but I couldn't see everyone. It's too much. So yeah, this is something that has been going on since, as you know, I mean, so many of you who are here have been part of this journey since the 80s or the 90s even. And so Sapan it sort of has come together, and I think I will give credit also to Samir Gupta for reminding me of this conversation that I had with him about bringing together all these groups. We've had the Pakistan India People's Forum for Peace and Democracy for so many years. We've had the PAN of South Asia, which is where I know Nalika from, and we've had the Aman Ki Asha since 2010, and there's so many other regional groups and people who have been part of this, this is just like a step in the process. And I do see the peace, as I keep saying, is a process, not an event. So I'm really thrilled to have, that so many of these people who I consider friends from such a long time all coming together. So when you say a dream come true, it's kind of like it's a dream that has been evolving, Aekta. So it's something that it just keeps going. And I think it's maybe there's no end goal. Unlike sports, you do a goal and you reach the goal and then that's it. So I don't think this has a goal. This is not an end goal. The journey is as important as, like, we're never going to get the goal post. We're never going to actually win, but we will keep advancing and getting better and making things better. So
thank you for sharing that, and thank you for everybody for being here. And I think we may never win, but I think we can keep at least striving towards that. We can aspire to aspiration.